Alright, Gfuel review time. Today we got ourselves some sour FaZeberry. Now, this is the sour equivalent of the FaZeberry flavor. That is my second flavor that I've tried. My first flavor was mystery flavor, but this is my second flavor, FaZeberry. Really good. It's been one of my all-time favorites. Well, the new strawberry banana is one of my all-time favorites. I got my scissors over here, but we got ourselves sour FaZeberry. This is the sour version of the FaZeberry flavor. I got the FaZe Clan shirt, as you can see. Huge FaZe fan, as you can tell. It's also how I got into Gfuel, and we got ourselves the collector's box. Sour, and it looks just like the, in some way. I don't have the FaZeberry tub, because I threw it away, because I knew that I was going to drink this instead. But this is sour FaZeberry. Got the shaker. It is another clear shaker. FaZe Clan. Damn, look at it's a really, really nice shaker right here. Got the ready to go scooper. I'm gonna go and rinse this out and put some water in it later. Got ourselves a sticker. Gfuel to go, I know. And we got ourselves the tub. Here. Oh yeah, we got... that's actually a pretty good art of scissors. I didn't even look at the back. And the box fell. I mean, this is actually a pretty good drawing of scissors. Looks pretty nice. Anyway, we got the tub over here. Inspired by FaZe Clan. Sour FaZeberry. I hope this tastes a lot better than the FaZeberry. FaZeberry used to be one of my all-time favorite flavors. Well, my second favorite flavors. Mystery Brand, Tropical Rain, and FaZeberry was like my OG top 3 Gfuel flavors that I've had when I first tried it. There's no... Oh yeah, there is. Gonna have to peel it over here. Yeah, got it. There we go. Even though it says inspired by FaZe Clan, I'm unfortunately gonna have to throw this away. All right, let's open this up. See what we got. The color powder is probably going to be the same. Yep, the powder color is the same. It is white. Let's give it a nice little smell. I don't notice a difference. This smells exactly like FaZeberry. No different whatsoever. I got a little scooper over here. Take that out. There's so... I'm going to make a mess in this setup. It actually smells pretty good. I gotta get all the powder out. Or I might use this too, but it wouldn't taste as good. It would taste too powdery, though. Because it's not exactly one scoop. It's a little too much. Got the little paper over here. Great, I got a little bit of Gfuel all over me now. Smells exactly like FaZeberry. No difference on the smell whatsoever. Anyway, I'm gonna go and fill the shaker up with water, rinse it out, be right back. Alright, Gfuel review time. I just filled this up with water, just rinsed it out as well. Making sure this is exactly 500 milliliters. There you go. It's a little bit harder with the ice to actually see where the mark is. Wait, got my water ready. Gonna take this out because I always rip these off because I don't usually use them. Anyway, we're gonna give myself one scoop because one scoop, everyone knows the rules. Damn, that FaZeberry actually really does smell good. Get ourselves a scoop. Here we go, we actually got one scoop right over here. We're gonna put it in. I think the only difference with this flavor is probably gonna be the sour. The color's the same, smells the same. I think the only thing is gonna be the sour. But even though I already know what FaZeberry smells like, I'm still gonna smell it anyway. Yep, it's still the same. Now all I have to do put this in here and shake it all up. And I'll be right back. Alright, Gfuel review time. I think I shook it up pretty good. Again, can't open it because of the condensation, but who knows? I already know what FaZeberry smells like, and it smells the same. Anyway, yep, it smells the same. It's a little bit more soury, I'd say. I don't know if you can smell. You can't smell sour, but at least I know there's just a slight difference with the FaZeberry than this one. Anyway, we're gonna go and try it. One sip. Everyone knows the rules. Shout out Dave Portnoy, Barstool Sports. Oh my god. You know what? To give this a little bit of a dramatic effect, cue the action movie black bars and the epic and dramatic music. Let's give this a go. Whoa. Whoa. Dude. This is way better than FaZeberry. This is way better than FaZeberry. This is really good. This is way better than FaZeberry. Like usually I don't like sour things. I don't like sour candy or anything sour. But with Gfuel, with all their flavors, their sour flavors from cherry, chug rug, pixel potion, this Gfuel really knows how to do sour flavors really. Like this is not like a bad sour, like where your face gets a little bit weird. This is a good sour, like a really good sour, and every sour Gfuel flavor I have, it's always that good. I don't know what Gamma does with their Gfuel flavors, of the sour Gfuel flavors, but they're really good. I really like their sour flavors. In fact, I might even like this a lot better than FaZeberry, the regular FaZeberry. This is actually way better. This is really good. Awesome. They really blew it away. Blew me away. This is way better. Crazy thing is, I've actually been drinking FaZeberry since 2016 when I first started Gfuel. Started drinking Gfuel. This, out of the 4 years I've drank Gfuel, way better than the regular FaZeberry. The sour FaZeberry, way better. And usually I would give FaZeberry like an 8, like I don't know, a 7.7, 7.8. This I'm going to give a 7.9 right here. 7.9. Sour FaZeberry. I'm gonna have to try this again. One sip, everyone knows the rules. This is really good. 7.9. I wish I could give it an 8, but again, there are some flavors that are better than FaZeberry, but I almost drank all of it too. I'm gonna give this 7.9. Anyway, that's gonna be it for the video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, and if you're new around here, be sure to subscribe, turn on those notifications. Even though the last Gfuel review wasn't that professional, this one I hope, again, it's not that professional too, but still did a better job than what I did last time. So, guys enjoyed. If you guys want me to do more, be sure to again, like and subscribe, because I'm thinking of actually doing a little bit more of these Gfuel reviews. Because I do like Gfuel, and I've always wanted to make reviews on certain flavors, and this is a pretty good starting point. So if you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a like. New around here, subscribe, turn on notifications. Until then, take care, talk soon, peace.